Welcome to the TRAVELZON channel. Today we're exploring the best things to do in Norway. From stunning fjords to vibrant cities, Norway has it all. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff looking out over deep blue fjords that seem to stretch on forever. Whether you're cruising through the waters or hiking along the cliffs, the tranquility and majesty of these landscapes will leave you breathless. The vibrant city life in Oslo offers a perfect blend of modernity and tradition. From bustling markets to cozy cafes, there's something for everyone in this dynamic city. And let's not forget the magical Northern Lights, an experience that should be on everyone's bucket list. So buckle up as we take a journey through the top must-do activities in Norway. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the heart and soul of Norway, its fjords. Picture yourself on a luxurious cruise ship, gliding through narrow waterways flanked by towering cliffs that rise dramatically from the water. The Sogne Fjord, known as the King of the Fjords, is the longest and deepest in Norway and offers some of the most stunning views you'll ever see. You can hike the Preikestolen, also known as Pulpit Rock, which offers a panoramic view of the Lisa Fjord that will make your heart race with excitement. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who simply wants to soak in the beauty of nature, the Norwegian fjords have something for everyone. Next up, we have one of nature's most mesmerizing light shows, the Northern Lights. The best time to witness this magical phenomenon is between late September and early April, when the nights are longest and the skies are clearest. Tromsø, often referred to as the gateway to the Arctic, is one of the best places in the world to see the Northern Lights. The thrill of the chase, the anticipation, and finally, the awe of witnessing this natural spectacle make it all worthwhile. Oslo city life. Now let's shift gears and head to the bustling capital of Norway, Oslo. This city is a vibrant mix of modern architecture, rich history, and cultural hotspots. Start your day with a visit to the Vigeland Sculpture Park, home to over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland. Next, make your way to the Oslo Opera House. This architectural marvel allows you to walk on its roof, offering stunning views of the Oslo Fjord and the city skyline. For a taste of local life, head to the Mathallen Food Hall, where you can sample a variety of Norwegian delicacies. Whether you're into history, food, or just soaking up the atmosphere, Oslo has something to offer every traveler. Oslo to Bergen train ride. One of the most scenic train rides in the world awaits you between Oslo and Bergen. As the train chugs along, you'll be treated to a constantly changing panorama of Norway's diverse landscapes. The train passes through the Hardangervidda Plateau, the highest point of the line, offering stunning vistas that seem almost untouched by time. The journey also includes a stop at the charming village of Flom, where you can stretch your legs and explore a bit. Trust me, you'll want to have your camera ready for this stop. Lofoten Islands. Last, but certainly not least, we arrive at the Lofoten Islands. This archipelago, known for its dramatic scenery, is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Start your adventure with a hike up Reinebringen, one of the most popular trails in Lofoten. For those who prefer the water, kayaking through the calm, crystal-clear fjords is an experience you won't forget. The Lofoten Islands are a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation, making it an ideal destination for any traveler. Wrapping up our Norwegian adventure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more TRAVELZON adventures. We've taken you from the breathtaking fjords to the vibrant streets of Oslo, and from the magical Northern Lights to the scenic train ride to Bergen. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just dreaming of far-off places, we hope this video has inspired you to explore the wonders of Norway. So, pack your bags, get out there, and discover the magic of Norway for yourself. Until next time, happy travels on!